right, yes, welcome to another exciting episode of Talk Talk. Because today is a very wonderful day, and we get some stories that we're going to interest you today. Now, you need to understand, say, Talk Talk, na talk show, where all of us they put our own opinion on top some trending topics of things that happen for inside Nigeria and Obodo Yibo. Now, you also need to understand, say, in as much as we they put our opinion for inside them, you too go need to put your own opinion. Now, for you to put your own mouth inside all the matters them of things where they trend for inside Obodo Nigeria, you go need to enter inside Twitter at Talk Talk Wazobia or enter Facebook Talk Talk Wazobia TV. Now, today is actually our family day, so most of our stories for today could be centered around the family. So welcome to today's show, and I know so you go enjoy them well. And one casual guest, hopefully, if traffic no hold up. Now Lagos be, you can never plan it, never.
Mostly these days, the traffic can't enter the next level.
Everybody they complain every day, say traffic don't increase.
Because too much bad roads there.
Yes.
And now we're in the fall, the bad roads they increase.
Yeah.
All right, so hopefully, if everything they okay, we go get one casual, wonderful guest. We go join us inside the studio. So not miss any segment at all, because today, now bumper, interesting package now we carry can give you today. All right, time Dovish for us to go into our stories of the day.
Yes.
All right, so are you ready? All right, so let's go.
No, I walk with that, so are you ready to talk?
No, you know, say sometimes, what about this as in our wonderful viewers that they watch us? Yeah. They always go with our mood.
Not be smaller.
As in, they always look, okay, Betiana not smile today, what happened? Yes. Okay, Queen B, you not shine your teeth today, or she not, as in, we not squint her eyes today, what happened?
You don't give them the sexy eyes.
So we need to ask.
We need to ask the question.
All right, now, and on top things where they trend for inside Obodo Nigeria. Now, one of the things where they trend are Majek Fashek. I know so now don't they excited say, we don't come out of rehab. We are excited too.
Definitely.
Yes. Because we don't talk on time number that we need him out and okay. But ladies, something don't happen where they make people they question, is he really out of rehab or not? Now, what's happened? This singer, a legendary singer, now they see him for inside the recently concluded Felabration. And him they perform on stage. Now, this particular performance where you do on stage don't make a lot of people, they come outside, they attack both the organizers of the event, plus including Majek Fashek family, and even him himself. Say, why on earth he go decide, say the first place where he go after rehab to perform na Felabration? Because according by them, this one na avenue for him to even go back to inside the drug and the everything way they do, to go back to them, to go they do them. So now we decide to actually bring our mental health table because we need to address this issue. We need to talk about Una feel say Majek Fashek do anything wrong by performing for inside Felabration?
Well, I just feel say if you notice now, I don't go Felabration before. I go last 2 years. Last year I go for 2 days, but I don't go all. They no fit stop say make they no smoke wetin they want smoke or make they no drink wetin they want drink. But at least for now they don't try to regulate them. Before you know fit stand inside crowd like this because now smoke you go they see. But if you notice now, because before I know watch the video, I be want talk something, but now I solely with I want talk.
Yes,
I notice say smoke no too they everybody just there they catch phone. So I go feel say maybe they try regulate them because of so if you want smoke that kind of thing, go outside. No stay inside the hall, do am. But before now, it is open for everybody. Do what thing you want to do because now freedom, now land of freedom. So you feel do what thing you like. But for me, I just feel say it need to take some more. I appreciate say come as I come perform to give back to us. Say thank God for our prayer. Thank you God. I appreciate it. But still, no be time for him to come outside now. Now I just feel say make it get in family back to me. I feel say you need to get in family back. Get everything, then your sanity don't day okay before you come outside. But when you come outside, say no be this kind of place you need to come for now. Maybe when you don't come stand on your feet, you feel control yourself, then you fit. But I just hope say the people where they are around them help them. But I tell you, with this kind of environment, longer throws go do you to test them.
But for me, I actually feel say I agree with what you talk, but the reason I'm going to decide say maybe the people will actually carry and come back, carry and go there for a reason.
Obviously,
perhaps, so that then go see whether okay, you don't go rehab, you don't come outside, you go actually fit withstand this thing if you see them for public. Because make we no joke, it go get to a point where it be say people no go they follow them up and down to check points. So then actually need to put them in the public, put them and there. Oh yeah, this na the thing where actually be wrong by you before. This na you. Maybe see whether you go still chook out for inside them, and then they go know how they want to take help. And because it go get to a point, only him by himself go they work out. At that point, who won't stop him from to do what he want to do? True. So for me, I feel that that's one of the reasons. And another reason why they carry him go that Felabration, I say. Felabration are one big event for inside Nigeria because of the person we actually leave them behind. People they respect them. Yeah. It don't almost be like public holiday. Just be say we still they work on those days. But for night, everybody we want turn up go there, they turn up go there. Yeah. So they feel the organizers probably feel say okay, this is a person we be saying a legend for inside our industry. Why not make it come perform? It go ginger the crowd, and at the same time it go be good comeback for him where just they come out from plenty big way it don't sort for inside in life. Definitely, family go still there, go still sort in family, but all these ones, now things where they go still say, okay, make we catch this opportunity. And now we Felabration day on ground. Before another one reach, it go be next year. So why not use the opportunity where they ground now and make we use them to good use? But for me, I just feel say even if they not take them go Felabration, even if them hide them, it go reach stage when they release them, it go fly. So now either he fly, hunter shoot him, he fall, or only him by himself, he say he won't pluck something and he fall. But make them give him that chance, and I like what them do.
I don't like him. For me,
before you talk, I beg now, what's your wife go do?
She go stay. She be that separate. She be that don't separate.
Don't marry another person.
But she stay her own lane, then he go stay her own lane. No, I just say man, like. Waiting with because that day she leave and when you need her more, so
yes,
she
but
stay.
At the same time, the possibility there says she still come back better.
And he go accept, and he go up to accept.
Yeah, just because that day why they talk and say, yes, we don't. When I talk, say, oh, we don't know what she go through. Yes, we don't know what she go through. But I tell you, if you had reached the right people, because the first time they come outside, and our funds that they look for, and the funds they come, we don't know where it go. But the real genuine people will come out, the likes of Charlie Boy, say, okay, you know what, we won't actually help this person. They try from the start, they know where it.
No, you know what, I don't actually blame her, because not be the first time when they don't try to take her go rehab. I don't blame her. So let's see if she's going to come back. But for her to make up her mind, you know, say they take women time to make up their mind, say, this man, you don't suffer me rich, I am going. If they take them time, and it take her time, for her to make up her mind, go, I hope say it's the final bus stop for her. Now, for me, I hope. I agree. Not come back now, the talk say, now that you're okay, let me come back. No.
If she come back, nothing where we feel.
It's not my business
they talk about them.
But for me, the major thing where I don't really like the fact that they invite her come this Felabration. For now. I understand, say, Felabration are a very big event where international, even national, that they always come the event, but you can have another year. This man, he just came out of rehab for me. He just come out of rehab. He never even reached like 2 weeks. Yeah. And yet he's performing at a place where, yes, for video, we feel not see smoke, but it's Felabration. Darling, it is. Yeah. And even though, say, they put security guards all over him, he mouth go they salivate. It's just like best way done they hungry for rice and chicken. And then you can't carry and go Owambe. Where they get rice and chicken. He mouth go they salivate. You go down the make and they think about him, or even when he reach out. For me, yes, I know say the motive behind that not be to bring harm to him, but it's totally wrong. No, you're not supposed to perform for Felabration.
Maybe another year.
Not now at all. Not Felabration. But anyway, he don't perform. He don't perform.
Even they give him 5 years. If he go back,
no, I know. Even though they give him 5 years, if he go back, he go back. He just the best way go talk say I want to stop smoking now. Even though say he there around and smokers today, and you say nothing will go happen. If you give him. If he wants to go back to smoking, whether he go still go back, but I just feel concerning someone with the old world, especially Nigerians, stand still, even Ayeni, all of them, make sure say they actually carry and go rehab. I just feel say it's too soon for me. Personal opinion is just too soon. I agree. But what do you actually think? You want to put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at Wazobia, let us know about them. Now, another trending topic for Inside Obodo Naija is go and be Linda Ikeji.
No, go and be a blogger.
Go and be a blogger, yes. Go and be a blogger. Or talk about hashtag go and marry. So, we want to talk about them. This is a trending topic. Ew. Now, Linda Ikeji, Nigerian blogger, recently, she buy a mansion. Now, this one not be house, but a mansion. She buy a mansion, and some blog go say now 800 million, some go say now 600 million, some go say now 500, but there is millions.
Not a million, millions.
Millions. And the place that she get her now for inside Banana Island for inside the Ikoyi. Now, she don't come outside talk a lot of things. As people, they talk, say, go and marry. People, they talk, say, hey, you they do runs, you they do this. She can talk, say, my name is Linda Ikeji. I be blogger, and I be 35 years old. And I never, ever, ever in my life sleep with any man for money. Not only have I never done it, I have never even considered say make I sleep with man to collect money. And yeah, I don't get house where it cost me ₦500 million. Please, stop waiting around for a man to give you, to put food on your table, to give you clothes for you to wear.
Oh.
I promise you, you can do it yourself.
So.
Start thinking big, believe in yourself, be creative, and start working. He said, realize that your dreams are valid. She want to follow Lupita. Your dreams are valid. He said, young ladies, I promise you, you can do this. He said, you don't need to spread your legs for any bloody man because of how much? 200,000 naira. That's how much my shoe costs. Yeah. So why should you give your body for that? You know what they say about woman? A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she's in hot water. You are so strong, you don't even know. Ladies, Linda Keji don't talk plenty things. She make point at all. No, she don't talk plenty things. He said 200K for my shoe. That is my shoe.
First of all, I go applaud Linda. From where she don't start from her Unilag days up until now, where she dey buy mansion, whether it costs 500 million or it costs 10 naira or it costs 10 naira. Because for me,
but that's the most expensive estate in Nigeria.
It is not to that it is close to.
See, for me, first of all, I just feel say, if not true, say she buy that house for 500 million, no be wise investment.
Hello. Of course.
Excuse me. It is
no, but it's a house, so she can sell it later on. No.
She don't fit sell them up to that amount if she wants to sell it.
No, it's Banana Island. Banana Island.
No, wait.
But I know say you want to talk plenty things about him. I know say you want to talk plenty things about her. But you know waiting.
Hello.
You know waiting. We go need to back more break so that when we come back, our special guest go join us inside studio to talk about him.
We
have to talk the talk today. So we come back, I beg.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.